Some Fairy Elizabeth with the Pats, Manning family with the Saints, got Cody Yee with the Giants, Asuke with the Jets, Lou L with the Eagles, Jason S with the Steelers, Chris D with the Niners, SSB coach with the Seahawks, the Bandit with the Bucks, Eric UTK with the Titans, and Jason W with the Jason S with the Washington Commanders. Appreciate the patience, y'all. All cards will be shipping, base included. Good luck. I hope you guys all get some W's. I've been looking forward to this Donruss for a bit now. For a little bit now. Whoop. Empty box. Get these packs loaded on up for you. While we run this, y'all, if you guys want to work out some spots for that 1-in-1, it'll be our last break of the afternoon for me before the evening shift starts at about 5 p.m. Pacific. Will be for young Greg. We'll have plenty of time to get those spots. So if you want to work out a deal, if you want to get a couple teams, you can hit me in the chat. You can hit me on the gram. I know these prices are really, really nice already. Really, really nice already, y'all. If you want to work out some deals on some teams, hit me up. Hit me up. Talking logo mans. We're talking timeless moments. We're talking eminence updates from 1920 even up in there. You can get some like Pascal Siakam Raptors patch autos. You can get some Tyrese Halliburton Kings rookie. I believe there's a 101 printing plate for him in there. Maybe other stuff too. There's some really odd stuff in there, and there's some really cool stuff in there for sure. Highly recommend to check out the checklist. Those boxes are over $1,000 a pop. We're up in a 10-box full case, not a half, a full case of that 1-in-1. These are not the friendliest of packs, unfortunately. Boy. Last pack, first box. Here we go. Let's take a trip. Downtown. Good luck, y'all. All cards ship here, base included. Let's get some bangers. Let's bring the dogs on out. Woo, woo. Good luck, good luck. Got a Ramondre Stevenson on the press proof. New England. Rated rookie Mike Green. Got a Dominators, Chuba Hubbard, Carolina, Dominators. Got a Milton Williams, champ is here. The champ is here, the champ is here. The rookie is going to be a Trey Harris, go to the Chargers. Non-numbered the rookies parallel. Rated rookie throwback, Malachi Starks. We got a bomb squad, Tyler Warren, Dowg for the Colts. McMillan. Got a Jalen Polk, press proof, New England. Rated rookie Donovan Jackson. Was that a McNabb Redskin card? What the heck? What is going on here? Elite Series on the laser. Nick Bosa, Niners. Got a best of instance. Jordan Love, Green Bay. Javonte. Brock Bowers. Terrence Ferguson. There's a Scattaboo. Red press proof for the New York Football Giants. Rated rookie. Cam Scattaboo. Top load that. Rumbling, bumbling, Scattaboo. Rated rookie. Red press proof. There's an Ashton Ginty on the rated rookie retro. Raiders. That's a sick looking card. Rated rookie retro for the Raiders. Ashton Ginty. Vegas. Champ is here. Oren Burks. Philly. Got a Doug Williams, red press proof for the Buccaneers. DJ Giddens, rated rookie. Going to be a Gridiron Kings. Deion Sanders, Cowboys. Roma Dunze, Bomb Squad. Da Bears, last team mojo. Got an Ashton Ginty, rated rookie base. Raiders. Rated rookie Ashton Ginty base. Elite Series, Jahmyr Gibbs, Detroit. We've got a rated rookie throwback, Ashton Ginty. Raiders. Best of instant, Jake Bates. Lions. Jaden Daniels base. Got a no-name hollow with a little bit of a lip on top going to the Chiefs. Could be a Chris Jones. Abdul Carter, rated rookie base. New York Giants. Wow, Action All-Pros. Going to the Niners. Going to be a George Kittle. Action All-Pros. That's a cool-looking card. We got a Legend Series, Jeremy Shockey, New York Giants. Jordan Watkins, rated rookie. Gridiron Kings, Aaron Donalds. Quinshawn Judkins, rated rookie throwback. Road to the Super Bowl, Brian Robinson Jr. Got a Marquise Hollywood Brown, red press proof. Rated rookie Mason Graham. Boom! 12 of 99. Rookie Phenom patch auto for the Seattle Seahawks. Jalen Milroe. Rookie chase like we were just talking about before that break started. Do the Seahawks have a rookie chase? Why, yes. Yes, they do. Jalen Milroe, rookie patch auto, going to the Seahawks SSB coach. They do indeed have a rookie chase. They do indeed. There's a Shuck throwback rated rookie to 100. New Orleans. Going to be 29 of 100 on the Shuck rated rookie throwback. It's a nice one. When he inevitably gets that start sometime this year. Champ is here. A.J. Brown. Rated rookie Tyler Loop. Dominators Jordan Addison, Vikings. Got a Tyler Shuck on the throwback rated rookie base. Matthew Golden Bomb Squad base. Got some kind of gold here, die cut. Rated rookie to 25. Press proof Derek Harmon for the Pittsburgh Steelers. 18 of 25 on the rated rookie press proof. Pittsburgh. Would be a Derek Harmon. Steelers. Going to Jason. Derek Harmon at 25. Brian Burns. Got a Bijan on the Dominators. Road to the Super Bowl, James Cook. $2.99. Bucky Irving on the press proof. Die cut for the Buccaneers. Elite Series rookies, Kyle Williams. Champ is here. Going to be a Jalen Hurts. Eagles. The champ is here. The champ is here. Roma Dunze, red press proof, the Bears. Got a rated rookie, Shadur Sanders, base for Cleveland. Shadur Sanders, rated rookie base. Boom! Optic preview, rated rookie Shadur Sanders. Nice. Cleveland. Optic preview on the Chrome Hollow. Shadur Sanders, rated rookie. That's a very nice one. Optic preview. Got a rated rookie retro, Tyler Shuck, New Orleans. Bomb Squad, Shadur Sanders, Cleveland. Bombs away. Rated rookie Graham Mertz. That's going to be the rookies Jalen Noel, Houston. Got a Higgins rookie, Gridiron Kings for Houston. Road to Super Bowl, Mahomes. Going to be a Benjamin Morrison, red press proof, rated rookie. Tampa, color match. Puka, Elite Series, Bomb Squad, Herbert. Rated rookie Quinshawn Judkins base. Got a Gridiron Kings, Justin Jefferson. R.J. Harvey, rated rookie throwback. Best of Vincent, Roma Dunze. Rated rookie Kelvin Banks Jr. Action All Pros, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Looks like those not that tough to hit. Got a press proof to 199. Going to be a Najee Harris, Chargers. Tetaroa McMillan, Rated rookie base. And our mem for the box, Canton Kings. Going to be an Andre Tippett to 425 for New England. 250 of 425. Andre Tippett, Canton Kings. Pats going to Elizabeth. It's the Mike Green in box 1, a no name. I know Chris Jones in box 1 was a no name. I didn't see any other no names there. You know what also helps too, folks? If instead of stopping the whole entire show to ask for one single card that I may have missed with my eyes, you guys have electronic devices as well, yes? Mike Green was not a no-name. You guys all have electronic devices that have rewindable buttons and stuff like that, yes? That is a hell of a lot easier to do, to look for a card, than have me go back, stop the show, and then sift through the cards one by one for a specific one. Just saying, we can always do it. I always do, but I'm just saying it's a hell of a lot quicker to just do a little double tap on the phone or hit the back arrow on the keyboard. Always check. I don't miss too much with that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's always a hell of a lot easier to just rewind. Can just zoom right back onto live as well. You can do a double time, or hit the live button on the screen too. It gets you right back to live. Just saying, don't gotta do it. Just saying, it does exist. It is a feature that exists. Can make everybody's life easier. Same with the same kind of questions where it's like, if you get in the middle of the break, you're like, did I miss any hits for this team? It's like, well, you could just hit back, could just rewind like a couple minutes. You didn't miss too much, Rather than, hey, Griff, off the top of your head, do you remember every single card from the break so far? And like, probably not. You know what I mean? Probably not. I probably don't remember. There's usually nothing going on in my brain, to be honest. Not a single thought. There's a Mike Evans press proof to 199 for the Bucks. Please be kind, rewind. Exactly. Marion Hampton, Elite Series rookie, Chargers. Got a Bomb Squad Bryce Young for Carolina. Not trying to shame anybody at all, though. Got a Hushmanzadeh press proof. Riley Leonard rated rookie for the Colts, base, Indy. Got a Gridiron Kings, Caleb Williams. Rome, Best of Instant. The Bears. ETN, The rookie's going to be a Jalen Lane for Washington. Got a throwback Quinshon Judkins. Wow. Super Bowl MVP card, Jalen Hurts. That's a sick one for the Eagles. That's super sick. Jalen Hurts, Philly. Rated rookie, Keandre Lambert-Smith. Got a Jaden Higgins, red press proof rated rookie for the Houston Texans. Jaden Higgins. Houston. Got a Bucky Irving Elite Series. Champ is here, A.J. Brown. Jaden Blue. Got a rated rookie retro, Jaden Higgins. Rookie Gridiron Kings, Ty Felton, Minnesota. Bomb Squad, Jackson Dart, New York Football Giants. Base Bomb Squad, Jackson Dart. Got a Dontavion Wicks, red press proof for the Packers. Deontay Thornton Jr., rated rookie, Raiders. Dominators, Jalen Hurts. Philly. There's a Cam Ward, rated rookie base for the Tennessee Titans. Cam Ward. That's what I'm. Yeah, I agree with you, Kerry. I had seen something that suggested these were about close to 500. 5 case Bowman Hobby Break, 3 cases Heavy Point. Yeah, right. Exactly. Like probably, maybe. Like I have no idea off the top of my head. Yeah, $435, a little bit overpriced, especially considering that last year was 3 hits per box versus this year it's 2. You got a minus hit for the same price. I don't see the, I don't necessarily see how it correlates there, how that makes sense. It's like the same price as last year. There's a no-name for the Saints, Derek Carr, New Orleans. It's like the same price, but you get less stuff this year. So I don't quite see how it makes sense, but I don't make the rules either, you know. Got an Elic Manor, the rookies, insert for Tennessee. Best of instant, Jaden Daniels. Champ is here, numbered to 100, Saquon Barkley. 57 of 100, Eagles. Caleb. Trey McBride, press proof, Cardinals. Egbuka, rated rookie, Tampa. I think it's really mostly just for the downtown chase, to be quite candid. 356 of 425. I would imagine that these typically just sell out based off just the downtown chase alone. Not too much hype around Donruss besides downtowns and some rated rookie kind of chase here and there. Not a whole ton of hype around it. I like it for what it is. Got an Dominators A.J. Brown. Rated rookie throwback Egbuka. Best of Caleb Williams on the instant. Got a die cut Jihad Campbell. Press proof for the Eagles. 90 of 99. Philly. Kalen Winslow Legend Series. Road to the Super Bowl going to be Saquon Barkley for Philly. And Cam Jordan press proof to 199 for the Saints. New Orleans. Ooh, rookie auto. The rookies. Auto to 299 for the Kansas City Chiefs. Going to be a Jalen Royals. Nice. 120 of 299. Chiefs. Jalen Royals. The rookies. Rookie auto. Chiefs going to Megan David. To 299 Jalen Royals. Chase Brown. Elite Series. Larry Fitzgerald Bomb Squad. Got a Donovan McNabb red press proof for Washington. Rated rookie Jackson Fart, New York Football Giants. Jackson Dart. Rated rookie base. Lamar Jackson, Action All Pros. Travis Hunter, rated rookies retro for the Jags. Finally some Travis. Quinn Ewers, rated rookie. Finns, probably going to get a start this year, I would imagine. Scatterboo throwback. Rated rookie. Wow, there's a no-name Jackson Dart for the New York Giants. Wow, Giants, nice hit. No-name Jackson Dart. That's a very nice one. New York Football Giants. Going to Cody. There's a no-name. Jackson Dart. Elite Series Pat Bryant, rookies for the Broncos. Got a Champions here, Dallas Goedert, Philly. Gabe Davis, press proof, Jags to 199. Josh Simmons, rated rookie. Mark Brunell. Bomb Squad, Roma Dunze. Press proof, Cam Jordan. Will Howard, rated rookie. And the rookies, Savion Williams, Green Bay. 2 down, 4 to go. This will be the halfway point box number 3 right here. I'll check on our numbers after this box, see how we're moving. After this one, see how we are moving. Only have 1 break left to fill. Super heavily discounted our 1-and-1 basketball. Full case here. We need some dogs. We need a downtown or 2. We need a trip downtown, man. Take a trip downtown. 14 left here, 1-and-1 basketball. Full case ready to go as soon as that fills here, y'all. That's a 3C thickness card. Whoa. Got the whole pigskin in there, huh? Gotta be. Gotta be. All right. Halfway point box 3 here, y'all. Got a purple press proof Cedric Tillman to 500. Ty Felton, rated rookie. Puka Nacua Elite Series. Road to the Super Bowl. Kelsey. Josh Jacobs, red press proof for the pack. Action All Pros, Justin Jefferson. Elite Series, AJ Green. Abdul Carter, rated rookie, Giants. Gridiron Kings, or all-time Gridiron Kings, Calvin Johnson. Megatron, rated rookie throwback, Ashton Ginty. Champ is here. Sirianni. Okay. Got a rated rookie, red press proof, Savion Williams for the pack. Green Bay. Elite Series rookies, Terrence Ferguson. Got a Tyler Warren bomb squad. Colts. Mason Graham, RJ Harvey, the rookies. Insert for the Broncos. Throwback, Jihad Campbell. Got Jalen Hurts, road to the Super Bowl. Keenan Allen, red press proof for the Bears. Last team mojo. Got an Amon-Ra Dominators. Champ is here. Going to be a Josh Sweat. Skortson, rated rookie. Trey McBride, Elite Series. Throwback, rated rookie, RJ Harvey for the Broncos. Got a no-name for the Saints. Got to be a Joe Horn, legend. Kyle McCord, rated rookie for Philly. Gridiron Kings CMC. Got a bomb squad. Shadur Sanders for Cleveland. Shadur. Bomb squad for Cleveland. the Browns. Retro Trey Harris. There's a Gridiron Kings Travis Hunter. Jaguars. Rookie Gridiron Kings Travis. For the Jags. CJ Stroud red press proof. There's a Jalen Milroe rated rookie base for the Seahawks. That's a sick one. 2-color Dak Prescott Jersey Kings. Jersey number match 4 of 100 for the Dallas Cowboys. Super, super thick here. Jersey Kings to 100 Dak Prescott. 4 of 100 jersey number match. Dallas. Justin W. Lead Series rookies Kyle Williams. Rated rookie base. Egbuka, the rookies insert. Throwback Malachi Starks. We got a red press proof Chuba Hubbard. Dylan Sampson, rated rookie. League Dominators Roma Dunze. Bomb Squad Justin Herbert. To 500 Will McDonald the 4th. Jets. Golds. Auto. Rated rookie to 25 Ty Felton. Auto for the Vikings. 13 of 25. Jersey number match. Rated rookie auto for the Vikes. Ty Felton. Nice hit. Minnesota. Going to Troy. 13 of 25. Jersey number match. Ty Felton. Rated rookie auto. Skull. Tetaroa McMillan. Elite Series rookies. McDaniels. Or Jaden Daniels. Bomb Squad. Base. Eddie Pinheiro. Red press proof. Travion Henderson, rated rookie base. Dominators, Brian Robinson Jr. Got a throwback Shuck, rated rookie. Indicted, Eric Allen. Purdy. There's a Dylan Gabriel, rated rookie. Ao Manor as well. Derrick Henry, Action All Pros. Mason Crosby, Legend Series. Josiah Stewart, red press proof, rated rookie for the Rams. Luther Burden III. Byron Murphy, red press proof, Vikings. Ty Felton, Bomb Squad, Aaron Rodgers. 3 down, 3 to go. See how that 1-and-1's rolling. 1-and-1 basketball. All right, we've been hitting it with discounts and seeing no movement. It's not what I want to see. Not at all. Not one bit. Should probably get that moving soon if you want to see it rip here, y'all. Rip here soon. You probably should get it filling soon, no? Might be an idea for you. Got some very heavy discounts laid on there. Laid on down there. Some very, very heavy discounts. And I did just hit that with another one, speaking of. Probably a good idea to get that rolling here soon. I don't have too much time left in my stream here today. You'll have teams hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars off in that full case. Mason Graham, rated rookie. Got a Michael Williams Elite Series. Throwback Milrow, rated rookie. Tyler Warren Bomb Squad. Isaiah Pacheco to 199. Abdul Carter, Elite Series rookies. Jalen Hurts, Bomb Squad. Got an Emmitt Smith, red press proof. Quinshawn Judkins, rated rookie base. Dominators, Joe Burrow. There's a Quinshawn Judkins Elite Series retro. Or rated rookies retro, my fault. There's a Riley Leonard, rookie Gridiron Kings, inducted Antonio Gates. McMillan, rated rookie. Woody Marks, red press proof, rated rookie for the Houston Texans. Elite Series Nico Collins, champ is here, Saquon Barkley. Colston Loveland, the rookies. Throwback, rated rookie Travis Hunter, Jags. And a Bomb Squad, Travis Hunter, Jags. Jacksonville. Dak press proof, Dallas. Too much there. Let's go here. Die cut, Xavier Worthy, 75/99, press proof for the Chiefs. Wow, Bomb Squad auto to 75 for the Seattle Seahawks. Sam Darnold, 21/75. You got your QB of the future and your QB of the present. Seahawks, one of the last teams to go today too, man. 21/75, Sam Darnold, Bomb Squad auto for SSB coach to go with your Milrow patch auto. Seahawks, not bad at all. Elite Series Lad McConkey, got a Shadur Sanders Bomb Squad for Cleveland. Cleveland Browns, Shadur Bomb Squad. Wow, Brock Bowers to 89, 62/89, jersey number, Brock Bowers. Tyler Loop, got a Milrow, the rookies insert. Road to Super Bowl, Jalen Hurts. Jerry Jeudy Dominators for the Cleveland Browns. Rated rookie throwback, James Pierce Jr. Doug Williams press proof. And an All-Pro Kings 3-color patch to 100 for the Detroit Lions, Penei Sewell. 18/100 for Detroit. All-Pro Kings with a 3-color patch for the Detroit Lions, Penei Sewell. Very nice patch there for Robert. Detroit. Action All Pros, A.J. Brown, Elite Series TJ. What? There's a Shadur Sanders rated rookie base, Cleveland. The rookies, Pat Bryant, Colston Loveland throwback, rated rookie. Calvin Johnson, Bomb Squad. Megatron. Rated rookie press proof Devin Neal to 199, New Orleans. Roman Dunze, red press proof, the Bears. Jaden Higgins, the rookies. Ty Felton, Minka Dominators, throwback Wolton, Justin Herbert Bomb Squad. Got a red press proof for Ramondre Stevenson, Pats. Elite Series Ao Manor, road to the Super Bowl, Kelsey. Abdul Carter rated rookie, and a Jalen Lane red press proof rated rookie, Commanders. Jimmy Graham, red press proof Jalen Polk, Pats. Saquon, champ is here. Going to be a, what is that? Milton Williams. Milton Williams. 2 to go. 2 more left, y'all. 2 boxes left. Donruss football. 14 left, 1-1 basketball. Super heavily discounted. Y'all might as well check it out while you're here, right? Super, super heavily discounted. Full case, fresh case, brand new release. Will be our first rip on the channel here. Will be our first rip on the website for 1-1 basketball. Super, super heavily discounts laid down here right now. It's going to be my last break for this afternoon, yo. My last one for this afternoon. I was about to say, I didn't see any memorabilia. I caught it there. Caught it. It's in the middle. Marvin Harrison Jr., press proof, 66 of 99. Die cut for the Cardinals. Elite Series rookies, Travis Hunter. Jaguars. Jacksonville. Bomb Squad Roman Dunze. Press proof Daniel Carlson. Will Howard rated rookie. Steelers. Cam Ward rated rookie. Titans. Tennessee. It happens, man. It does happen occasionally. Can't win them all, unfortunately. Got a Caleb Johnson, the rookies for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Looks like it could be numbered, but it's not. Quinn Ewers throwback. Will Levis red press proof for the Titans. Saquon Action All Pros. Elite Series Bo Nix for Denver. Got a Dominators Khalil Shakur. Savion Williams throwback. Bomb Squad Darnold. We got a K-Dot press proof for the Bucks. Egbuka rated rookie for the Bucks as well. Cam Scatterbu, the rookies insert for the New York Giants. Grab a little bit less here. Elite Series Caleb. Throwback Amarion Hampton. Got a no-name for the Giants. It's going to be a Russell Wilson. New York Football Giants. Got a no-name Dart and a no-name Russ. Russell Wilson. No name for the Giants. Got a rated rookie Savion Williams for Green Bay. Dominators JSN. Throwback Matthew Golden. Addison. Got a Sanistro. Red press proof. There's a Jackson Dart rated rookie for the Giants. New York Giants getting a Jackson Dart. Another one. New York Giants. To 199. Passing the torch. Memorabilia for the Ravens, Ed Reed, 172 of 199, Baltimore. Who's on the back here? Malachi Starks. Passing the torch for the Ravens. Starks and Reed. Ravens for Nick. Elite Series Myles Garrett. Quinn Ewers, rated rookie. Drew Pearson, Marion Hampton, gridiron rookies. Got a Kyron Williams, red press proof for the Rams. James Cook, Dominators. $250, Tony Pollard, gold press proof for the Titans. Tony Pollard, 45 of 50. Rookie auto for the Niners. Rated rookie Mykel Williams. 45 of 199 San Francisco. Dog. Mykel Williams. So far the worst signer in the class. 199 for Chris with the Niners. Mykel Williams. Elite Series Jaden Daniels. Red press proof Bryce Young. There's a rated rookie, Travis Hunter, for the Jags. Okay. Loveland, rated rookie for the Bears. Christian McCaffrey, Dominators. There's a Milrow, rookie Gridiron Kings. Red press proof, Matt Stafford. Elite Series rookies, Egbuka. Okay, Matthew Golden, red press proof, rated rookie for the Pack. Ty Johnson, numbered /299, die cut press proof for the Bills. Higgins, Action All Pros, Josh Allen. Ashton Ginty on the retro, rated rookie retro. Last box mojo on the way. Jeez Louise. All right, last box mojo. Let's take it downtown. If Carrie would like all the Kid Reporter cards, we can absolutely get Carrie all the Kid Reporter cards. Otherwise, I was going to toss them. That's what I typically do. But if he wants them, absolutely can have them. Speed racing, chickens. Can't be letting that fly, Taylor. We gotta calm down with that kind of stuff, bro. Gotta calm down with that kind of stuff, bro. Keep it cordial, my guy. Egbuka, rated rookie throwback. Bucks. Got a Christian Kirk press proof for the Houston Texans. Quinshaw Judkins, rated rookie for the Browns. Elite Series Ted Johnson rookies. Kellen Banks Jr., rated rookie. Egbuka, reg press proof, rated rookie for the Bucks. Dominators A.J. Brown. Bomb Squad Caleb Williams. Got a Dave Krieg, red press proof for the Seahawks. McMillan, rated rookie for the Panthers. Got Jalen Lane, the rookies for the Commanders. Elite Series Jonathan Taylor. Got a Shuck on the retro or Gridiron Kings rookie for the Saints. Keep it rolling. There's a gold die cut press proof /225. Josh Downs for the Colts. Legend Series Paul Warfield for the Browns. Bomb Squad Bryce Young. Red press proof McMillan. Gridiron Kings Caleb. Trey Harris, rated rookies. Got a Ty Felton, the rookies. Tyler Shuck, throwback. Freermuth, rated rookie Gunnar Helm. Elijah Arroyo, red rated rookie, press proof for the Seahawks. Elite Series rookies Tyler Warren. Colts. I don't know what to do with my freaking hands right now. We just hit a Travis Hunter downtown. Nobody in the office knows about this right now because I'm not freaking out, but this is probably the biggest card we could have hit today besides anything from 1-on-1 basketball. I am not freaking out. My hands are sweating so freaking hard right now. Boom! 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 Downtown Travis Hunter! Boom, baby! Woo! Call the Uber. Travis Hunter downtown. Skirt, skirt. Beep, beep. Congratulations, Jags. Jason, big dog hit. Travis Hunter downtown.
Yeah, I'm cutting that part out.
Dang it. Dang it. They're cutting that out. Dog, my hands are so sweaty right now. Congrats, Jason. Woo! Downtown Travis Hunter. Bomb Squad, Jaden Daniels. Will Johnson, rated rookie. Dog. There's a Jackson Dart press proof to 199, rated rookie for the Giants. See some 1-on-1 spots moving? Nice. That's lovely to see. That is lovely to see. 22 199 Jackson Dart. Cody. Zach Bowen to 199. Eagles. And for the Falcons, rated rookie auto James Pierce Jr. Redemption. Out of nowhere. That whole box, this whole box, everything was coming out of nowhere. Popping out of nowhere. With the downtown, with the redemption now too. James Pierce Jr. Tony. Excuse me. Devontae Adams, red press proof for the Rams. Trey Hendrickson, action all pros. Rated rookie retro. Shadur Sanders for the Browns. Rated rookie Donovan Jackson. Crenshaw, throwback for the Browns. Road to the Super Bowl, Travis Kelce. Got a Megatron, red press proof, Lions. Terrence Ferguson, rated rookie. A Canton Kings patch to 425 for the Houston Texans. It's going to be a, for the Titans, my apologies, Warren Moon, Canton Kings patch. Super fire.
I know whoever got that was going crazy.
Great price on them, too.
Ow!
Rookie downtown for a great price, for a steal. Congrats again, Jason. All right, let's close it. Elite Series rookies, Jalen Noel, Bomb Squad, Egbuka. Jalen Hurts, Dominators. And a all-time Gridiron Kings for the Colts, Peyton Manning, 28/100. It's a young Peyton. Can't even see all of his forehead there. Carl Eller, red press proof. Ashton Ginty, rated rookie base. Gonzo, rated rookie retro, Will Howard. Christian Gonzalez going to the Pats. Purple Malik Neighbors to 500. And wow, purple optic preview. Egbuka, rated rookie for the Bucks. That is a chrome optic or a Donruss optic preview on the purple chrome hollow. Emeka Egbuka, 14/50. Very, very nice for Tampa. Going into Bandit. Elite Series BTJ, Bomb Squad, Jackson Fart. Darnold and a Jared Goff. Wow, wow, wow. That'll do it for Donruss. Let me put these on away. We'll do a quick recap. And we'll see what we got next. Downtown Travis Hunter, day one. Very, 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 very nice. Quick recap, y'all. Egbuka on the Chrome Optic Preview, 250. Canton Kings Warren Moon. James Pierce, redemption. To 199, Jackson Dart, Travis Hunter. Michael Williams, rated rookie auto to 199. Passing the torch could be an Ed Reed, Malachi Starks. Dart base, no name Russell Wilson, Cam Ward base. Elite Series, Travis Hunter base. Panay Sewell, patch to 100. Darnold, bomb squad auto to 75. Travis base bomb squad, throwback Travis. Ty Felton, rated rookie auto to 25. Jersey Kings, Dak to 100. A rookie Gridiron Kings Travis, retro Travis, Dart base. Jalen Royals rookie auto to 100. Lamar Jackson to 425. Cam Dart base. Higgins base, red press proof. Jalen Hurts Super Bowl MVP insert. Andre Tippett to 425. Shadur Sanders chrome optic preview. Hollow preview. Base, got a Derek Harmon to 25. Throwback Shuck to 100. Cam Scattaboo red press proof. We had a no-name Jackson Dart. A rookie jersey auto to 99, Jalen Milroe. And a downtown rookie, Travis Hunter. That'll do it here, y'all, for our 2025 Panini Donruss Football Hobby 6-box. Pick your team number 1. Congrats to all spots. I got a nice hitter parallel there. All cards will ship, base included.